Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Watching the man, you know, say Orange represent for Skilla Entertainment TV, the baddest TV in 3D. You feel me? And you know, so we are represent for the new song, you know, Bad Energy. Well, a vibe by himself, yeah. No need no bad mind friendship.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the dancehall Skilla. Now, you see the man we just see a while ago, I give off a good energy and a vibes. Him goes by the name of Orager, right? An upcoming artist, you see it? And him do a song the other day where me dancehall Skilla, me like that song there. And in my point of view, I think a lot of people can relate with that song, you see it? Yeah, I think that this song sound good. I think this song a sell off, viewers and subscribers. It have a sell on. And in no way I don't believe that song a sell out. You get what I said to you? Now, I'm not say nothing more no viewers and subscribers. I am going to play this song so that you, my viewers and subscribers, can listen it and you can tell me what you think. Alright? Is this song a song we're ready for the road or not? Just tell me what you think. Alright? Now listen it. That song name Bad Energy by the artist known as Orager. Now listen and observe.
It's Orager. Yeah.
Listen, wanna listen now one.
You know the rules.
Listen carefully.
I mean I say more like can't just people in the dark. Cause I mean I say we got you too much with people, mankind too evil. When they see me, I go swallow me, I pull it a beat. So when them said them are your better, make me tell you what me do. But watch them coming, who said them I observe me. Tough me did follow me, go. But I end up a page, a moment never gonna follow when I make them leader. Listen me kill if it them friendship no real. Them envy your guys, but when you're down, them no sit. Me wanna vibe by myself. No need no bad mind friendship. If you don't know what I mean. Me recognize when the vibes alright. Yeah, me tell us something like ocean. Me no want nobody friendship. If you don't know what I mean. Me recognize when the vibes alright.
Pull up. That song ya too bad. Me telling about that song ya viewers and subscribers. That song ya shot, he hard, he ready for the road. That's what I said to you. The flow smooth, the song sound airy, the song just well put together. Me I tell you, yo, me give that song a thumbs up and I need a thumbs up. And if me they have more hand, me give more thumbs up with the rest of my hand them if me they have more hands, viewers and subscribers. Me I tell you. Me like that song real. You see me I say, yo, Orager, big up yourself. Anywhere there you, anywhere you there, big up yourself. You see me I say, yo, your song, sell off, me love how you put your song them together. You see me? Now viewers and subscribers, it's there so me leave it to them. Wanna tell me what you think about that song, tell me if that song really ready for the road, if you mad or what, just give me a full opinion about that song, alright? I want to big up on yourself. And you don't know me dancehall Skilla, they have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what go on. So until the next time, my name is dancehall Skilla, I want to big up on yourself. You see it?